Yeah, thanks for rubbing it in.
Shooter ready? Stand by.
So, this is for target. So we're going to shoot the field here. So, let's say he missed one of his shots and one shot in that rectangle, right? You 7 right now. So,
5 seconds is up there.
so if he hits 7 times 5 seconds, it adds up. Missing on steel is a big deal. How you like your holster? I love it.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
I tell you, he can actually shoot pretty well.
Shooter ready? Stand by. Come on. What I get?
Nice.
Slide down.
One of those, huh?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Stand by.
Daddy, after this one,
Good.
Yeah, I never see myself.
Yeah.
Ever. The only place I can do it. I'm not gonna.
If your reloaded ammo blows up on you, it hurts that hand.
I guess that could be a scenario. If it was a SIG, it would work.
You had 8 for 1 second.
He was gonna go up.
Stand by. Come on. There you go.
Oh, that's a lot better. Now you can see when you hit already. Come on.
Elephant loads.
Well, you're 9mm or?
Work high. It just is that angle to come out and go back.
Oh. Come on. Good.
Ah.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, yes.
I'll cheat a little.
Five guys draw.
Shooter ready?
Yeah.
Hands on.
That's
Stand
what the problem
by.
with using that beeper in a real life situation. You'll go back to shooting. It's all you do. Somebody's gonna come in the house. You're not gonna shoot. You can hear the
Well, I
beep.
never heard the beep.
Nice.
Of course, when the microphone blade goes off, it's always jumping.
Yeah.
Good.
Ah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.